Welcome back, Ria here. So I'm back with a new topic today, and today we are going to see what is social media marketing. So nowadays lot of traffic is being generated on social media because lot of people are spending their 50% of the time on the social media. So what is social media? So social medias are the platforms where we meet people socially like Facebook, then YouTube, Instagram, Twitter and more. So before having marketing on the social media, so you can also set up your businesses on social media. So you have to create the basic social media accounts on the different platforms which I told, and after creating the platforms you have to fill all the details of your platform, like what is the name of your business, then what is the address, then you can put the map. So all these things you can do. You can even use Google Maps to just put the address in that. Then you can have Instagram account where you can put the photos of the products. Then you can have Twitter account where you can increase the influence about your products. Then these are the multiple social media on which we can market our products. So basically before marketing the products, what is important is you should have your social media account. Now once you have the social media account, before social media marketing, that is SMM, it's important to do social media optimization. So what is optimization? Now before coming to optimization, you should understand what is keywords. So keywords are the words which are related to the social media, or the words or the headline with which you are getting searched on the internet. So it's important to understand what are the keywords related to your business. So once you understand this, in the descriptions you can put this keyword so people can search your business or you very easily. So this is optimization of your social media. So basically create the account, then optimize your social media, and after that, once the social media basic account is created and you start putting the basic content, then you can start creating the marketing campaigns. So the first thing is create the marketing campaigns. So you can tell people, so marketing campaigns are to show the people what you are, what your business is. Then you can increase the likes, you can get more references of the people, so you can increase your business. So you can start campaigning after social media optimization. Once you have done campaigning, once the people start knowing you, what this should be done is social media ads. So you can start with the Facebook ad, YouTube ads. So now after putting the ads, you have to understand the content. Now only putting ads is not easy if you don't understand the content. So what is understanding the content? Like what exactly should be in the ad? What should be in the ad which will help the customers to come to the product? How this product will be helping to the customer, that should be specifically given. And for that, what keyword should be used, so that all things, what heading should be used, then how the next level should be given, that is given in social media ads. So your ad should be perfect. It should be sharing its message in a proper context, like what exactly your product is and how useful it should be to a particular person. So that is understanding the content. So understand the content, then you have to plan the content. So you want to put the ad, so you need to have a proper content. Now how you will plan the content? You will have YouTube content, like you can have video content, you can have audio content, you can have textual content, you can have post. So there are multiple contents you can have. So like just putting the content in a day, what you can do, one day you can post, then one day you can put the videos. So in that way, it's important to plan the content. You have to create a calendar to plan your content so you can put it in a proper format. So this is also important, that the calendar should be created for the putting the ads. Then only knowing this is not enough. The basic skill for advertising is also important. So when you try to do the payment for the ad, or when you try to use that ad websites like Facebook ads, then YouTube ads, then or Google ads, if you try to do that, you should know the basics. Otherwise what will happen, something wrong can happen with your hand and there will be some loss. So instead of having loss, what you can do is you can just take the basic knowledge of the social media and then you can jump into it instead of doing it without any knowledge. The next is ads and campaign according to the business objective. So you have to put the ads and the campaigns according to the objective. Now business objective at a particular time can differ from the objective at a particular different time. For now, if the business objective is you want more preferences, you want more people to know about your business, you want more likes, you want more subscribers, so this is a different objective of a business. From this, now the next objective is you want more sales, you want more customers to click the button, so this is different objective. So what kind of campaign should be run, that is also important, and it totally depends on the thinking, the objective decision what you take. So first decide on your objective and then create the ad. So it's important that you have to think like what kind of the ads are suitable to what kind of the objective, and then create the ad, then put it, then create the content and then start doing it. So it's important to come from the basics of it, and once the people are added in your connection, once you know who are interested in the work you do, what you can do is you can do retargeting. So what is retargeting? Having some people in your background, or having some database of the people or the emails of people who are already interested in the product. What you can do, if that person is seeing your ad on some other profile, like seeing your ad on Facebook, and the person has shown the interest, so what you can do, you can take that marketing emails of that people who have shown interest, and for same profile you can put the ads for Google. If they do some Google search, at the side they will get the ad of the things they have shown interest in Facebook. So this is how retargeting and the ads can be done. Okay, so this is all about the social media marketing. So this is how the social media marketing should be done, and this is the basic knowledge which you should have for doing social media advertising. So before going to social media advertising, you have to go to social media setup as well as social media optimization. So this is all about social media optimization and social media marketing. So I hope you get value from my video, you understand each and every concept in a proper way, and you apply this concept in your business and you should grow. So this is all about this topic. Thank you so much, and if you like my video and if you find my video to be useful, you can join my VIP Facebook group. Thank you.